In this video, I'll show you how to make NVIDIA your default graphics card. Now, there's three different ways to do this. The first method is by heading over to your start menu and searching for NVIDIA control panel. From here, just click on the control panel, and once you have this opened, click on Manage 3D Settings in the left-hand navigation. From here, you'll see an option for Preferred Graphics Processor. Select this drop-down and make sure you have High Performance NVIDIA Processor selected. Then come down to the bottom and press Apply. Then in the left-hand side, click on Configure Surround PhysX, and you'll need to do the same here by changing the processor to your NVIDIA one. And once you've done that, we can then close out of this window. Now, the next method to make NVIDIA your default graphics card is by heading over to your start menu and searching for Settings. Click on the Settings window, click on System from the left-hand side, click on Display, scroll down to Graphics, and from here you'll see a list of all of the applications that are currently installed on your PC. So all you need to do is find the application that you want to use NVIDIA for. So let's say, for example, I want to use my NVIDIA graphics card for League of Legends. So I'm just going to select the app like so, click on Options, and make sure you have High Performance selected here. You can see this is my NVIDIA graphics card, and if I select Power Saving, that will be using my AMD card. So that's the second method on how you can use your NVIDIA graphics card. And the third method is by heading over to your start menu, searching for Device Manager, and then clicking on the Device Manager window. Click on the drop down arrow next to Display Adapters, and the final thing you can do is just disable the graphics card that you're not currently using. So if I wanted to set my NVIDIA one as the default graphics card, I could just simply disable the AMD one to stop it being used. And to do that, all we need to do is right click on it and select Disable Device. You'll get this warning message pop up, so just press yes. And there you have it. We've now disabled the AMD graphics card, and it will use the NVIDIA one as our default. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.